Graphics is an all-encompassing artistic view of our world. When you go out into the world and you look around, it's everywhere. Anything that you like, you can put it towards a career with graphics.
There is both a technical and artistic flair to graphics. There are those students that are very creative, but there's also some very linear, logical steps that need to be followed. You don't have to be an artist to take this trade.
When I was coming into Henry Tech, I actually wanted to go into culinary. But when I went through graphic design, something just clicked. I loved it. I'm very passionate about it.
I knew this is where I wanted to be because of the creativity involved, and that's what I'm going to do in my future.
And they can be able to express their own personal feelings through their work.
The freshman year, students go in and they kind of learn the basics of what the elements and the principles are in design. The sophomore year, we have those kids go through Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, then they go into animation. So we really cover a huge gamut of information for 10th grade so that when they go into 11th grade and will learn more about marketing, they can also work for the school, outside clients. One of the best things about graphics at this technical school is that students design the products on the computers, or they even create them by hand, then go into the production lab and they actually make a tangible product.
On a typical day, students will get 4 to 5 projects, some relating to theory, some math, terminology, computer applications, and will produce the item. It kind of completes the picture.
They're not just on a computer all day. They're constantly working, whether it's poster printing, whether it's stitching things. They are hands-on building. When you're at a tech school, you have a really big chunk of time to really learn your trade. And it's that time that you have that makes you grow.
Coming to a tech school has really taught me how to balance my time. Being in academics for half of the school year and then being in trade for the other half, you really learn a lot of time management skills on balancing both ends of the spectrum.
I've been given a lot of production opportunities. I've made yard signs and I've made posters for the school. And I've made a couple videos for different clients.
We offer a variety of different services to potential customers. We have a fully encompassing bindery where we can fold, cut, trim, stitch, drill.
Any client that is in need of anything creative, the sky's the limit on the needs that we offer.
Working with customers, we learn how to talk to them, ask them for ideas, and communicate with them about different drafts and elements they would like to include in their work. And then I also have learned how to price our services and a lot of very useful things that can be transferred to other jobs.
It allows them to see what the real industry and real world is like, apply things that they learned while they were in school, and it gives them an opportunity to start to make their mark on the business world.
Work-based learning is a program where students can actually go out into the field and work with mentors. We have currently one student that's working at Enhance a Color. They thought it would take him a month to train him in one process, and it took him 2 days. When they go out to work-based learning, they have skills that are surprising.
With our graphics program, we get access to Adobe software through their Creative Cloud for all 4 years, which has been immensely helpful in and out of the classroom.
One of the best things about the senior year in graphics, you're making your portfolio for either applying to a college or applying for a job. It's a culmination of your whole entire high school career.
So in my graphics digital portfolio, I've comprised personal projects I've done, production work to show to my current college and any customers I might have in the future or employers.
The graphic design field as far as a profession is very vast. It's just as vast as the curriculum that we have here.
We've had students that have studied and got into architecture, fashion design, marketing and advertising. We have a past graduate from Wilcox that works for General Motors designing cars.
We can teach you how to take an idea, build on it, make it a tangible product, and sell it. So it's an all-encompassing shop where students learn to just blossom as human beings.